Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. I had to take a break from buying hats because I was buying way too many hats, as you could see here. But recently I've sold a lot of hats. I was buying them to resell them. So a lot of my boxes are empty now. But we're back with a new video with vengeance. So I'm about to show y'all my new hats, and I'm about to show y'all how I recently been bending my brims, and it's honestly best way I've been doing it, you know what I'm saying? So let's start off with some new hats. I got this banana chocolate type beat. I got it from Pro Image out in Stockton. Shout out to the homie G from Pro Image. We're gonna be working on a collab real soon, so stay tuned on that. I might not remember all the hats I got recently from the last video, so if you see a repeat, my fault. It's been a minute. All right, this capsule hat, fire. Well, actually this hat's from Capsule too. I recently got this one. This one came in the mail yesterday. Fire. And then this other one, Pro Image. My fault, not Pro Image. This one is Capsule hats. I got a couple pins on them. Fire, bro. Like, let me check it out. Let me check it out. Boom. You see me? You see me? You see me? Okay. I got the pins from Prototype. This one came with it. And then I got some other Hunter pins from Brilliant Brims. I bought some of these a while ago, so like I might forget where I purchased them or where I got the brims. I mean the pins from. Another hat I got recently was, did I show y'all my Houston hat, H-Town hat? I don't know if it's focusing or not. This go hard with the gray UV. It's simple. I like this one. This was hard. All right, this one is not my hat. It's actually my cousin Heem. We got this also from Pro Image in Stockton. And what's different though is, look, hopefully that focuses. If not, that's a shame. I'll put a picture. But it has the pirates on the UV. Different, bro. But anyways, those are a few hats that I had. I probably have some more here that I forgot. I don't know, if I don't want to repeat the hats that I showed last time. But if I did forget, I'll run it back. Let's get to what y'all really came here for. How to bend your brims the right way, my way, Darz way. So what I have here, a steamer, secret weapon, the steamer, y'all, the steamer. Get a steamer. I got this one off Target for like 20 some bucks. It was 20 some bucks online. In store it was like 30. I told them to price match that thing, you feel me? Hey, but $20, and this is what it does. I don't know if you can see it, but it puts out good heat. What I normally do is, before I had this, I would just bend it slowly, like at the edges, and then I would put it on top of like a flask or a bottle or something, or a mug. But this will do it differently. So let me grab that hat real quick. So this is the hat we're gonna be using for example today. I got this one off Pro Image in Livermore, and again, it has a pink UV with pink guts. Who you know got that? Nobody got that, bro. But yeah, I had an A's hat and I gave it to him. I didn't like the way it fit on my head. It was kind of small. But first step, remove all these stickers. We don't need all these stickers on here because we're gonna plan on steaming it, and you want to get an even, like a steam, heat, whatever, moisture throughout the brim. Yeah, so let me remove these stickers real quick. Hopefully you can see me here. So what I do is I hold the hat. How do I do this so I could see it? So I hold the hat. Hopefully y'all can see this. All right, like this, and I go over it a couple times. Make sure I don't burn myself. I don't want to block y'all. This might look awkward for me, but I'm trying to make it so y'all can see it. And about an inch, 2 inches, just go over it a couple times. You don't want to stay in the same spot because you might mess up your brim. Your brim it's like cardboard. And if you get it too fucking wet, it messes up the structure, and it's just trash. I've had it happen. I wore a hat in the rain before, and it messed everything up. But that's a good amount of times. You can feel it. and really see when it starts to get soft. I might have done it a little too much there because I was busy talking. And then you do it again on this side. I do in this motion. I keep this motion right here. Boom. That's a good amount right there. And what I do, let me get my bottle. I get my bottle and I would bend it. Make sure you do it slowly. You don't want to mess up the top of your brim and making it look like a house. And then I bend that over. Pause. And I keep it. This is how I know it's even. I look at the back of it. So let me look at it real quick. Make sure it's even. And then I hold it like this for a couple seconds. Hold it like this. Sometimes I would even spray it while it's on here. Watch your hands, you don't want to burn yourself. Keep it like this. Give it a couple seconds, and I do one more step on top of that. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so it's been a couple seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bottle. And as you can see, one second. As you can see, it already looks good. Look at that. It might be a little too much, but once you put it on, you could adjust it to however you want. This is the first step. Second step, my fault, y'all. I'm going in and out the frame. I put it in this cup holder. I think it's meant for pens, whatever. Throw it in there. Make sure it's even. And then I steam it again, real quick. Right there. Get a little bit of outside of the rim and inside of the brim. And boom. That's it, y'all. That's it. And then I let this sit for until it's dry. Sometimes I keep it there all day, but you don't have to do that. You just need a couple minutes. So we'll wait a couple minutes, and I'll put the hat on and you'll see how it is. All right, so it's been a few minutes now. It's been like 5. Here's the hat. You feel me? Boom. Solid bend. And what's cool about this, when I do it like this compared to when I do it manually with my hands, it stays like this, y'all. Like if you look at my hats, like I did this last week, and it kept its structure, you know? You see that? Kept the structure. So it works. It definitely works. I've been wanting to do this for a minute now, but yeah, let's try it on. Boom. Y'all fuck with it? Yeah. So yeah, this is how you properly bend your brim. The easy way, the best way. If this helped you, go ahead and leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for the next one, because I'm definitely going to be pushing out more content. It's your boy Darz, and I'm out here. Peace.